Handa na ba ang Robinsons Malolos? Handa na sila.
Eto na, excited na kayo? Excited na rin po kami. This is an exclusive Fiber experience, and because we are fiber-powered, we will live stream what is happening here para naman lahat happy. Kahit sa kanilang mga bahay-bahay, ma-experience ang fiber. Kahit na hindi sila naka-join dito live sa atin. Ginawa namin yan sa Laguna, sa Jensen, pati na rin sa Antipolo last month. And we had almost 300,000 views. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, actually super ganda ng quality ng live stream because we are of course powered by PLDT Home Fiber. So tell your friends and your family about it. Check out the Regine Velasquez Friends FB page so that they can enjoy the show that we are going to be having here right now. Eto na talaga. Bulacan! Are you ready?
Ready na ba? Regine! Ate Gay! Woo! Okay.
Mukhang handang-handa na nga silang lahat. So if you're ready for the fiber experience, eto na. But first, focus your eyes on the screen. Let's all watch this. Gentlemen, PLDT Home Ambassador, Asia's Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid!
Everybody's got a thing, but some don't know how to handle it. Always reaching out in vain, just taking the things not worth having. But don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing, mama, 'cause I'll be standing on the side when you check it out. Sometimes life's a drag, and that you must go other places. Just don't feel too bad when you get fooled by a smile and faces. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing, baby, 'cause I'll be standing on the side when you check it out. Don't you feel it's growing day by day? Fever, getting ready for the news. Some are happy, some are sad. Oh, you gotta let the music play. What the people need is a way to make them smile. It ain't so hard to do it if you know how. Gotta get the message, get it all through. Oh, the mama, don't you ask me why. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music all the time. Well, I know you know better everything I say. Meet me in the country for a day. We'll be happy and we'll dance. Oh, we're gonna dance the blues away. If I'm feeling good to you and you're feeling good to me, there ain't nothing we can do or say. Feeling good, feeling fine. Oh, baby, let the music play. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music all the time. Like a laser full moon, surrounding kisses in the sky, and the crowd is growing bigger. Listen for the happy sign, gotta let the music play. Listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music all the time. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music all the time. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music all the time. Thank you, mga kababayan ko. Good afternoon po and welcome to the PLDT Homes, the Fiber Experience. I'm very happy to see all of you here this afternoon. Hello! Mga minamahal kong taga Bulacan. And you know, I rarely have shows here in Bulacan. But kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, I'm really very happy to be back here in Bulacan. And excited po akong mag-perform para po sa inyong lahat. Marami pong salamat sa suporta na ibinigay niyo po sa akin all these years. Thank you very much. And now, I am coming home. O, diba? Ang ganda, diba? At dahil dyan, meron akong good news po. Ang PLDT Home Fiber is now in Bulacan. Grabe! Visit any PLDT Fiber Experience Hub or PLDT office and subscribe to Fiber now. Sobrang sulit po ito at total digital experience na. And balita ko, dito daw po yata sa Bulacan ang may pinakamaraming fiber. Meron siya Bulacan-Bulacan, may Baliwag. May Malolos ba? Siguro naman meron, no? Bilang nandito tayo. May Malolos. So, it's halos sakupin po yung Bulacan. Ang laki po ng Bulacan, hindi po pa. So palakpakan tayo sa PLDT. Thank you very much to PLDT for bringing us here, for bringing me home. Diyan lang po ako nakatira. Yan, diyan po, dito. Ayan o, diyan sa tapat. Sa Starbucks. Sa Starbucks pala ako nakatira. Ayan. So, this afternoon, I'm gonna be performing for all of you. And I'm gonna sing a couple of the songs I've recorded in the past. I hope you don't mind. Starting with this one.
Pagmasdan ng ulan, unti-unting bumabata sa mga halam at mga bulaklak. Pagmasdan ng dilim, unti-unting bumabalot sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan. Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos ang iyong ganda, kasabay rin ng hangin kumakanta. Maaari ba wag ka na sa piling ko'y lumisan pa, hanggang ang hangit tulay tumila na. Buhos na ulan na aking mundo'y lunuring tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyap. Pag-ibig ko'y umaabaw, damdamin ko'y umihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, pagmasdan ng ulan, unti-unting tumitila, ikaw rin magpapaalam na. Maaari ba minsan pa mahagan ka't maiduyan pa, sa kribik at ulan lamang ang saksi. Minsan pa ulan bumuhos ka, huwag nang tumigil pa. Hatid mo may bagyo, talangin ito ng puso kong sumasamo. Pag-ibig ko'y maabaw, damdamin ko'y umihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, oh, everybody now. Ari ba minsan pa mahagan ka't maiduyan ka, sa kribik at ulan lamang ang saksi. Buhos na ulan na aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan, tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kang nagliliyap. Pag-ibig ko'y umaabaw, damdamin ko'y umiiyak sa tuwa. Thank you. Di biro ang sumulat ng awitin para sa'yo. Para akong isang siraulong hilo at lito. Sa akin pang mina ng piano, tiklado'y pilit nilaro. Baka sakaling merong tono, bigla na lang umusbong. Tungkol saan naman kayang awitin para sa'yo? Di biro ang gawing sukat ang titik sa tono. 10 man aking diksyonaryo, kung ang dugma'y di gusto. Basta't isipin di magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo. Biruin mong nasabi ko ang nais kong ipahati. Dapat ko lamang mabatid laman itong dibdib. Tila 10 daang awitin ang natapos kong likhain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin at tinggin. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan mapunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Napapanaginip ka.
Araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi, araw-gabi.
beses na akong sumabit, kung ito'y sumasabit na uubos ang mga blusog ko. Hirog ako'y nagsisisi, wag nang mabusisi, Pagkas man ako ay magbabago. Batid ko ang kasalanan, patawad na hirang. Di ba tayo'y nagsamba at tungo natin simbahan? Tapusin na natin ang mga tampuhan, tiyak iyong maaasahan.
Ako'y iyo-iyo, huwag mo na sanang pahirapan ang damdamin ko. Sana ako'y pakinggan mo, pagkat di na mauulit ang panloloko. Ako'y iyo-iyo, huwag mo na sanang pahirapan ang puso ko. Sana ako'y pakinggan mo, pagkat di na mauulit ang panloloko.
Ngayon ako'y nagbabago, walang mga bisyo, kundi magpaalipin sa'yo. Tanging ikaw ang ligaya, dulo mo ay pag-asa, at sa'kin ay wala nang iba. Magmula na ngayon, ako ay nangangako. Di bibigyan ng pansin o tingin ang tawag ng tukso. Tapusin na natin ang mga kabuhan, tiyak iyong maaasahan.
Ako'y iyo-iyo, huwag mo na sanang pahirapan ang damdamin ko. Sana ako'y pakinggan mo, pagkat di na mauulit ang panloloko. Ako'y iyong-iyo, huwag mo na sanang pahirapan ang puso ko. Sana ako'y pakinggan mo, pagkat di na mauulit ang panloloko.
Magmula ngayon, ako ay nangangako. Di bibigyan ng pansin o tingin ang tawag ng tukso. Tapusin na natin ang mga tampuhan, tiyak iyong maaasahan.
Ako'y iyo-iyo, huwag mo na sanang pahirapan ang damdamin ko. Sana ako'y pakinggan mo, pagkat di na mauulit ang panloloko. Ako'y iyo-iyo, huwag mo na sanang pahirapan ang puso ko. Sana ako'y pakinggan mo, pagkat di na mauulit ang panloloko. Iyo-iyo, ako'y iyo-iyo, huwag mo na sanang pahirapan ang puso ko. Sana ako'y pakinggan mo, pagkat di na mauulit ang panloloko. Ako'y iyo-iyo.
Yeah. By the way, guys, we are also live through RVF Friends FB account. Kaya, para sa mga team bahay, hello. Alam niyo ba yung team bahay? Ha? Alam niyo yung team bahay? Yung mga millennials yan ang mga tawag nila pagka wala silang masakyan, hindi sila makapunta dun sa show, sa bahay na lang sila. Team Bahay. So, hello sa mga taga-Team Bahay. At, sige na nga, I'll read some of the, Shucks, ang labo na ng mata ko. Ano daw? Watching from Europe, excited to come home and celebrate with you, ate. R 3.0, ayan. Saan niya tinatago yung chewing gum? Huwag ka kasing nakikialam. Sa ngalangal ako. Ayan. Watching from Dubai. Hello everyone. Hi, mag-hi tayo sa mga taga Dubai. Hello Dubai. Ayan. Ay, nawala. Ayan. Hello Ate Reg. Nanonood si Jed. Hello Jed. Hello Jed. Hello, ayan. Team Bahay Ate, we love you. Pa-shout out. Ganun ba yung pa-shout out? Ganun ba? Ganun ba yung pa-shout out? Paano ba yung pa-shout out? Pa-shout out daw, sinigawan ko. Tama yun, di ba? Shout out daw eh. Wala namang shout na, wala namang ganun eh. Tama yun. Tama yun. O, hindi ko na mailagay. Yan. Uy, may mga tsokolate na naman ako, in fairness. Papaagaw na naman. Nasaan na yung hard-boiled egg? Ba't walang hard-boiled egg? Ito mga kachipan din eh. Makaagaw lang eh. Okay. Guys, just follow our V-Friends official and the live streaming is powered by, of course, Fiber. Bonggang-bongga, di ba? Ang social ni RVF, in fairness sa inyo, magkano binayad nyo sa PLDT? Hindi kayo nagbayad? Grabe kayo, libre. Normally, may bayad yun, With Fiber, you can enjoy a powerful connection with speed up to 1 Gbps. O, di ba? Now you can get all this for your home and let the whole family enjoy it for only 1,899 pesos. You get unlimited 20 Mbps. Oh, Grabe na yun, So, babuna sa mga slow internet connection. Hello, Fiber. Nandito na siya sa Bulacan. Alam nyo kaya mabilis yung Fiber? Kasi na yun yun ba yung tawag doon? Parang nanotechnology na, yung fiber na siya. Parang kasing nipis na po ng buhok ni Raul. Ay, sorry Raul, sorry. Hindi, example ko lang buhok. Hindi, sorry. Hindi. sorry naman, sorry. Huwag kang mag-alala, kalbo na rin yung asawa ko. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Yung hibla, parang halos gabuhok na. And that's why your connection is faster. Alam nyo, naabutan ko bilang lumang tao na ako, yung, anong tawag sa ganun? Dial-up. Ang kachipan ng dial-up, di ba? Dito sa Bulacan, nung araw talaga dial-up. Nakakaloka. Tapos napuputol-putol. Pero with Fiber, you're not gonna experience that. As a matter of fact, being a singer, itong mga banda ko, pagka ganito po yung job namin, they make it easier for us kasi lagi kami nagda-download ng mga music or yung mga materials namin, usually ini-email na lang. And it's so fast when you're using Fiber. Ako sa bahay ko, naka-Fiber na ako, kaya mayabang ako. Ikaw, naka-Fiber ka na? Mayabang ako sa'yo. Okay. Hindi, promise talaga. Ang ganda. Kaya bumili na kayo, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan. Anyway, this afternoon, I'd also like to sing some of the songs na ginawang popular po ng isa sa aking pong pakiwari ay isa sa mga gagaling na OPM singers na meron tayo. This is the music of Nina. Isa pa, napadami yung kain ko ng chewing gum.
Someday happy somewhere, even if I can't. Someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. Oh, one day I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you. Someday, someday. Right now, I know you can tell I'm down and I'm not doing well. But one day these tears, they will all run dry. I won't have to cry sweet goodbye. 'Cause someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you. Someday, someday. Jealous of the girl who caught your eyes. One of my darkest days, when you looked at her, where was I? Should have been in her place. Here I am, all alone, imagining what might have been, what could have been if I had been there. Jealous of the one whose arms around you and just keeping you satisfied.
Jealous of the one who finally found you.
Made your sun and your stars your light. La 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 la. She's a very, very lucky girl. La 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 la. And you know I'd find a good fight if I thought I'd change your mind. But if she makes you happy, I will leave that dream behind. Man, she better treat you right and give you everything. 'Cause at the moment she does it, I'll be waiting in the
You.
and she's keeping me satisfied.
Jealous of the one who finally found you.
May the sun and your stars guide. La 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 la. She's a very, very lucky girl. La 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 la. Don't call me in the middle of the night no more. Don't expect me to be there. Don't think that it will be the way it was before. Don't think that again. Right over your head. And I don't wanna be afraid. Oh, I forget we ever met. I forget I ever let you into this heart of mine, baby. You just gotta let me be. Gotta keep away from me. 'Cause all I want is just
to be free from you, baby. Don't you come around. Say you still care about me. Just go now, go now. Don't call me in the middle of the night no more. Don't expect me to be there. Don't think that it will be the way it was before. To think that I care out of you, yeah. I don't wanna be afraid. Don't call me in the middle of the night no more. Don't expect me to be there. Don't think that it will be the way it was before. Oh, baby, don't call me in the middle of the night no more. Not over you, yeah. Don't wanna be afraid. Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday, someone's gonna take your place. One day, I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you someday. I know someone's gonna be there. Wanted you to leave me one day, I'll forget about you. Someday, Naiyak ako. Uy, wag kayong tumalon dyan, ha, kung nakaka-relate kayo. Kasi ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na sa inyo, walang sasalo sa inyo dito. Gusto ko talaga tong TV na to, ang payat ko eh. Di ba? Di, baka katabi ka lang. Huwag ka namang ganyan. Malay mo pag finokus ka, payat ka rin. Malay mo lang hindi ako sure. Sorry naman. Pinagtitripan ko yung banda ko. Sorry po. Nagagalit yung musical director. Bira ka naman. Eto na. Naku, alam ko madami naghihintay dito. Nakapunta na kaya to ng Bulacan? Ay, ang kanyang nanay pala ay taga-Pulilan. Ha? Alam mo, natutuwa ako kasi alam nyo nung bago ako matira ng Manila, which is bago lang po ako mag-asawa. So, I was living here in Bulacan almost all my life. Yun pong growing up days ko, talagang dito na po kami sa Bulacan. And I'm really very happy and I'm so touched that the Bulakeños, yung mga taga-Bulacan, inako na po talaga akong taga-Bulacan. So maraming salamat sa mga kababayan ko. Kasi in my heart, I am also a Bulakeña na. Diba? Sa akin na nga lang na nadidinig yung mga, ay, ang gara nito. Eh, itong siwang na ito, kinakain yung aking sapatos eh. Ering siwang. Pag sinasabi ko yun sa Manila, parang ano kaya yung siwang? Hindi niyo ba alam yung siwang? Yung siwang yung ganire ba? Ere. Nga kayong ano dyan. No, but I really am very proud. At ngayon pong hapon na ito, I'm very happy that makakasama ko po ang poging-poging isa ring Bulakenyo pala. Kaya ang tatay niya nanay niya ay taga Pulilan. Isa rin po siyang proud Bulakenyo like me. Let's all welcome Michael Pangilinan!
Hello!
Ang pogi, ang pogi.
Eh, nakaganon agad eh.
Hello. Game.
Kamusta ka na, Michael?
Ayos lang naman.
Taga-Bulacan ka rin pala, ano?
Yan nga po.
Talaga?
Taga Plaridel. Sino po mga taga Plaridel dito?
Taga
Mga
Plaridel.
taga Pulilan, Plaridel, San
Yan.
Rafael. Yan.
Alam mo, nung aking kabataan, mga 2 years ago lang yon, yung kabataan ko.
22 po kayo nun?
Oo,
22.
mga kabataan ko. Abay, sinuyod ko lahat yung Plaridel, yung Pulilan. Naku, kung saan-saan ako nakakarating, kakasali ng amateur contest.
Ganon po talaga. Pero,
Ganun talaga.
kita
Na
niyo naman
naka-tricycle, ah.
Talaga? Pero nakita niyo naman ngayon. Once again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating nag-iisang Asia Songbird.
Wow. Oo, wow. Eka.
Game.
Yeah.
From the way you smile to the way you look, you capture me unlike no other. From the first hello, yeah, that's all it took. Then suddenly we had each other, and I won't leave you. Always be true. 1 + 1, 2 for life, over and over again. So don't ever think I need more, 'cause I've got the one to live for. No one else will do, and I'm telling you, just put your heart in my hands. I promise it won't get broken. We'll never forget this moment. It will stay brand new, 'cause I love you over and over again.
From the heat of night to the break of day, I'll keep you safe and hold you forever, and the spark will fly. They will never fade, 'cause every day gets better and better. I won't leave you, always be true. 1 + 1, 2 for life, over and over again.
So don't ever think I need more. I've got the one to live for. No one else will do, and I'm telling you, just put your heart in my hands. I promise it won't get broken. We'll never forget this moment. It will stay brand new, 'cause I love you over and over again. Over again. But when I'm with you, I lose track of time. When I'm without you, you're stuck on my mind. Be all you need till the day that I die. I love you over and over again. So don't ever think I need more. I got the one to live for. No one else will do, and I'm telling you, just put your heart in my hands. I promise it won't get broken. We'll never forget this moment. It will stay brand new, 'cause I love you over and over again. So don't ever think I need more. Over and over again. Over again. Over and over again. Promise it won't get broken. We'll never forget this moment. Yes!
Mga kaibigan,
Maraming salamat po.
Michael Pangilinan.
Sige, iwan po muna nila ako. Bibigyan ko po muna kayo ng mga konting kanta na po. Para po sa lahat ng in love ngayon, para sa inyo itong kanta na to. Sana magustuhan niyo. Uy. Ha? Masakit yan. First time I fell in love was long ago. I didn't know how to give my love at all. The first time I settled for what felt so close, but without romance you're never gonna fall. After everything I've learned, now it's finally my turn. This is the last time I'll fall in love. The first time we walked under that starry sky, there was a moment when everything was clear, and I didn't need to ask or even wonder why, because each question is answered when you're near. And I'm wise enough to know when a miracle unfolds, this is the last time I'll fall in love. Now don't hold back, baby, just let me know. Could I be moving much too fast or way too slow? 'Cause all of my life I've waited for this day, to find that once in a lifetime. This is it, I'll never be the same. You'll never know what it's taken me to say these words, but now that I've said them, they could never be enough. As far as I can see, there's only you and only me. This is the last time I'll fall in love. The last time I'll fall in love. This is the last time I'll fall in love. Maraming salamat po. And again, actually ako, madalas na po ako nakakasama ni ating Asia Song Bird. And sana po nakikita nyo na rin ang kinakanta ko to. Kung alam nyo po yung kanta, pwede nyo po akong sabayan. Sa lahat po ng mga madalas ditong umiyak, madalas masaktan, madalas maghanap ng mga karamay na iiyakan. Para sa inyo itong kanta na to, sana magustuhan ninyo. Para sa inyo po na. Pahingi na lang po nito. Sorry. My shattered dreams and broken heart, I'm ending on the best to you. No, nothing for me to do, but I one last cry before I leave it all behind. I gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living life. I guess I'm down to my last cry. I was here, you were there, 'cause we never could agree. While the sun shines on you, I need some love to rain on me. Still I sit all alone, wishing all my feeling was gone. I gave my best to you. Oh, no, nothing for me to do, but I one last cry before I leave it all behind. I gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living life. I know I gotta be strong, 'cause round me life goes on and on and on and on and on. I'm gonna dry my eyes right after I had mine. One last cry before I leave it all behind. I've gotta put you out of my mind for the very last time. Believe it. I guess I'm done. I guess I'm done. I guess that I'm done. To my last Maraming salamat po. Before I end this, maraming sa lahat po ng sa lahat na nandito. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta. Siyempre sa aking PLDT Home family, sa lahat po na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Actually, sino dito yung mga mahilig maglaro ng mga computer games? Yung mga gamers, kagaya ko. Ako kasi mahilig ako. Dota. Ayan, ako nilalaro ko CSGO, tsaka League of Legends. So sa atin, minsan, thank you, minsan mahirap yung mabagal yung internet, especially yung mga Dota na yan, dahil ayaw natin na naglag. Pinaka-worst, yung nakakwit mo, kasi mahina yung internet. So, natutuwa ako kasi ako po, Bulakenyo po ako, at napunta na dito, dumating na at nilapit na sa ating mga Bulakenyo, ang ating PLDT Home Fiber, na pwede po kayo na mag-apply kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail ngayon yan. Meron po kami dyan sa likod. At ayun po, maraming salamat din syempre sa PLDT Home dahil naimbitahan ulit ako dito. Maraming salamat po. So, sa lahat po na nandito, sana po mag-enjoy kayong lahat at magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa susunod. And maraming salamat po. At isa pa pala, yung mga mahilig manood ng mga TV series, mga mahilig manood ng movies sa internet or sa YouTube, lahat pwede nyo nang i-download ng HD
gamit ang ating PLDT Home Fiber. Maraming salamat po at sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you.
How about a big hand once again for Mr. Michael Panghilinan? Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Uy, madami akong mga pasabog ngayon, ha? Yan, oh. Ang galing ni Michael. Wala po, ginalingan, eh. Minsan nag-iinit din ang ulo ko dito kay Michael, eh. Masyadong ginalingan, eh. Uwian na. Uy, may jelly ace, oh. Stoy, mamigay ka naman. Yung mga kakosa mo dyan, bigyan mo. Oh, ikaw, baka may mga kabarkada ka dyan. Yan. Para, alam mo, dito sa Bulacan, mahilig kami sa sweets. Kasi kami nga yung may Bulacan sweets. Yun, oh. Ang ganda, eh. Gusto nyo? Ayoko kasi hindi aabot, eh. Taray natin. Taray natin. Konti na lang, eh. Ganto na lang, eh. Ganto na lang. Ay, kuya, nandiyan ka. Montik ng tabaan sa noo. Oh, ikaw dyan. Baka meron ka mga kakosa dito, eh. Malay mo lang, ha. Ayan. Ay! Hindi nga. Mabot. Ayan. Ang saya lang, may mga pambato ako. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nang babato ng audience. Hindi ko rin alam. Para baka kasi ginagugutom na kayo, mababa na sugar nyo. Ay, anong nangyari sa baklang yon? At saka sigurado akong bakla siya. Oh, isa pang bakla. Naka-place ang voice. Oh, mga bakla. Anyway, here's a medyo newer song, at least for me, but this came out like last year, or was it 2 years ago? 2 years ago na ba to? 2 years na? Well, sa akin bago pa. Bilang lumang tao na ako at delayed ako, bago pa to sa akin. Huwag kayo nakikialam, ha? Bago to sa akin. Teka, mag-hi muna tayo dun sa mga nandun sa ano. Ano ba ginagawa nila? Meron din ako. Ay, hindi. Wait, dyan na. Dito na. Hello? Michael. Bakit na kay Michael? Hindi. Ako na yan, eh. Watching from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Uy, may mga nanonood from Saudi. Hello, Saudi. Ayan. Ay, na umangat. Mamaya ulit, mag-hello tayo ulit. Nandiyan ka muna. Anyway, this is for all of you. I met you in the dark. You lit me up. You made me feel as though I was enough. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest. And you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I know I loved you then, but you never know. 'Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never should. But I wanna stay with you until you know. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed, and I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your hair. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you look over your shoulder, for a minute I forgot that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day will get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you. I hope you know, darling, your love is more than words with love. We've come so far, my dear. Look how we've grown. And I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're dead. 'Cause you were always there for me when I needed you most. I'm gonna love you till my last give out. Promise till death we part, like in our vows. So I wrote this song for you. Now everybody knows that it's just you and me until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. 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 Thank you.
Yung kanina, para sa mga in love. Ito naman yung sa mga medyo sawi ng very, very light.
We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I die a little more. Stolen moments that we steal as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough. It's obvious you're meant for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought I'm in too deep. But I'll never show it on my face. But we know this. We got a love that is homeless. Why can't I hold you in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. When you're with him, do you call her name like you do when you're with me? Does it feel the same? Would you leave if I was ready to settle down? Or will you play it safe and stay? But we know this. We got a love that is hopeless. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Nobody knows what the song was, baby. I don't wanna hide us away. How the love will make it. Living for that day. Someday. Why can't I hold you in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? those army eyes. Why can't I
hold you in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't I say that I'm in love? I wanna shout it from the rooftop. I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
Why can't it be like that? Why can't it be like that? Alay, wala nang tubig, ere. Patak-patak na lang eh. Thank you very much. Thank you, Michael. Yan. Marami bang nakarelate dun sa kanta na yon? Talaga? Hello, guys. Uy, may magazine na kayo. Thank you. Ako nga wala pa eh. Bilhin nyo naman ako. Abunuhan nyo na rin. Kasi alam mo kami mga artista, wala kaming cash. Sa madaling salita, mahihirap kami. Lagi kaming walang cash. Yung asawa ko nga, maikwento ko lang. One time, magpapagasolina siya pero wala siyang pera. As in, wala siya isang kusing. Tapos, pumunta din siya sa gasolina kasi hihinto na yung sasakyan niya eh. Sabi niya, pare, ako si Ogie Alcacid, bigyan mo naman akong gasolina oh. Hindi nga, binigyan naman siya. Binigyan naman siya. Eh siguro konti lang, enough for him to be able to go home, I don't know. Masasabi ko sa asawa ko, ano din eh, makapal din ang fes. Hindi maabilidad, makapal din ang fes. Ayan, in fairness. Try mo yon, Chip. Hindi ka kilala. Si Raul, pwede. Sabi mo, Parts, ako si Raul. Yan, ganyan. Musical director ako ni Regine Velasquez. Yan, ganyan. Pwede, bukas. Hindi, ikaw alam ko may sikreto ka eh. Wala din to pera lagi eh. Okay, kakay, bigyan mo nga yung pera yung asawa mo. Yung pambayad niya dun sa parking, banana queue. Alam ko yun ah. Alam ko yun, sabi niya, wala akong pambayad, doon na lang, banana. Pero may barya naman daw. Kulang lang daw. So may banana queue na. Ewan ko ba sa inyo? At least ako nagpapalibre na lang ako, di ba? Hindi ko pa actually natatry yung wala talaga eh. Hindi, pero actually, hindi ko pa nakapalan yung mukha ko. Kasi lagi kong kasama yung kapatid ko eh. Siya may pera. Ako wala. Aray ko naman. Sumobra naman ang puno. Ayan. Thank you very much. Isang pampasaya naman. Pwede kayong magsayaw, ah. Halika natin, sayaw na. In my mind, I'm running around a cold and empty space. So put your arms around me, tell me everything's okay. And on an empty space. Put your arms around me, baby, everything's okay. Come on! Break my bones, fall. Oh, the rise and fall will rise against that mold. Oh, darling, hold my hand. Oh, darling, hold my hand. 'Cause I don't wanna walk on my own anymore. Do you understand? 'Cause I don't wanna walk alone.
I'm ready for this.
There's no denying.
I'm ready for this.
I need you on it.
I'm ready for this.
I need you on it.
I'm ready for this.
Darling, hold my hand. So like a melting pot when you're not next to me. Tell me that you got me and you'll never go leave. Try to find a moment where I can't find relief. Just tell me that you got me and you'll never go leave. Come on! Break my bones, but you won't tell me fall. Oh, a rising tide will rise against the mold. Oh, darling, hold my hand. Oh, won't you hold my hand?
My hand, my hand.
'Cause I don't wanna walk on my own anymore. Won't you understand? 'Cause I don't wanna walk alone.
I'm ready for this.
There's no denying.
I'm ready for this.
I'm ready, darling.
I'm ready for this.
I need you on it.
I'm ready for this.
So darling, hold my hand. Oh, no, no. That feeling when I'm all alone. So please don't make me wait. 'Cause I don't wanna break and I don't wanna fall. When you're next to me, I'm not afraid to be. But you don't make me wait and never let me break. You'll never let me fall. Darling, hold my hand.
My hand, my hand.
Hold you, hold my hand.
My hand, my hand.
'Cause I don't wanna walk on my own anymore. Don't you understand?
Stand.
'Cause I don't wanna walk alone.
I'm ready for this.
There's no denying.
I'm ready for this.
Don't stop me from that.
I'm ready for this.
I need you on it.
I'm ready for this.
So darling, won't you hold my hand? Thank you. Thank you. Madami pa tayong pang-agaw. O, bakla, o. Wala lang. O, alali, o. Iba to. Jelly Ace. Jelly Ace ba to? Ayan. O, isa pa. Ay! Gusto nyo dyan? Yeah. O, ayan dyan, o. Pasensya na. Magaling ako kumanta, pero hindi ako magaling tumapon. O, in fairness sa akin. O, kayo po, o. Ang galing ni ate. Ikaw, te, magaling ka ba? O, ha? Yan, ganun gusto ko merong kung masasalo. O, kachipan no? Next time, hard-boiled egg. Gusto nyo? Yung lilagang itlog. Ang saya nun, tas may asin. Di ba? Ang ganda ng mga ko. Sa concert ko, ganun gagawin ko. May mga paagaw ako. Hard-boiled egg. Yan. Di ba? Kasi nagugutom naman kayo. Tsaka yun may asin na. O, di ba nag-care pa ako? kaya lang, galingan yung sumalo kasi pag dito ang pangit. Sabagay, okay din kung dito kasi at least hindi nyo na itatak-tak, di ba? Basag na di ba? O, yun. Perfect din itong super bilis na internet para sa mga mahilig sa movies. Alam nyo ba, gaya ko. I love to watch TV series at mga movies na minsan kasi hindi ko na napapanood sa sinihan. So, hinihintay ko na lang sa TV. para libre. Ganon talaga kaming mga mahihirap, hinihintay na lang namin. Now, I can enjoy the simplest way to stream HD entertainment on my TV with Asia's first Roku powered TVolution. Ayan. Roku, ito yung isang parang box din siya. You attach it to your system, to your TV or whatever. Tapos, you can already watch new movies from there, right? Yung mga bagong pelikula, you can already watch it there. Kumbaga, bago pa lang sumasalang sa sinihan, pagkatapos siguro noon, you can already watch it there. And then, not to mention, alam niyo yung Netflix? Alam niyo yung Netflix? Meron tayo noon, iFlix. And they have great series. Ang dami po nilang mga series na magaganda. So, ako enjoy ko yon. And you know what? It's only $199 per month. You can watch Signal also. HD na ang channels dyan. Ayan o, may iFlix, may Netflix, at syempre pwede kayong mag-YouTube. Streamed straight from your TV. Hindi na kayo magkakandaduling gaya ko. Yung nagbabasa ng mga hindi na kayo magkakandaduling. Ayan. Ay, pinatay ko yata siya. Ayan. So get ultimate entertainment experience with your PLDT Home Fiber Plan. Kaya wag niyong kalimutan. Ayan po yung booth namin, no? Mag-hello nga kayo dyan, yung mga taga-PLDT. Hello, guys. Yung mga taga-PLDT, mag-hello naman kayo dyan. Taga-PLDT ba kayo? Ha? Sabi ko yung mga taga-PLDT doon. So, taga-PLDT kayo. Aba, oo. Hello, mga taga-PLDT. Ayan. Hello. Sila talaga yung nag-hello. Taga-PLDT nga siguro sila. Nakakatawa kayo. Anyway, you know guys, hindi talaga matapos ang pasasalamat ko sa PLDT kasi nga, we've been doing this for 3 years, no? We've been doing this round all over the country for 3 years. And once again, thank you so much to PLDT for bringing me all over the Philippines at syempre, espesyal yung dito sa Bulacan. Diba? Kasi dito ako nagsimula talaga, yung mga amateur singing contest. Dito po yun eh. So thank you very much again, PLDT. I'd like to sing a couple of OPM songs. I hope you like this one.
Sa hindi inaasahan, magtatagpo ng mga mundo. May minsan lang na nagtutulong, damang-dama ng gumito. Di pa ba sapat sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo? Ibinubunyag ka ng iyong mata, sumisigaw na pagsinta, pag ipapatulang ang pagsuyong nagkulang, tayong umaasa, hilag at punuan, ikaw ang hangtungan at bilang tulungan mo, ako ang sasakit sa'yo. Saan nga ba patungo? Saan nga ba patungo? Kaya kagat nakihiwag ang bagyo ng tadhana ay hinadala ko sa init ng isip mo. Ba't di pa sabihin ang hindi mo maamin? Ipauwi
Nanonood ba kayo nito?
Heto na naman, nag-iisip, minsa'y nagtataka. Nasa'kin na ang lahat, ba't nangungulila? At nang makita ka, ibang sigla ang nadarama. Pag-ibig na nga ba ito? Ako'y nangangamba. Nais kong ipagtapat sa'yo, sana'y dinggin mo ang lihim ng pusong ito. Kahit na tayo'y magkaibang mundo, ikaw nga ang siyang hanap-hanap. Kay tagang ako'y nangarap, lumuluhod, nakikiusap. Ako'y mahalin mo, sinta. Ikaw ang siyang magbabago sa aking buhay. Handang iwanan ang lahat upang magkapiling ka, sinta. Nang makilala ka, ibang saya ang nadarama. Alam kong pag-ibig ito, anong ligaya. Nais kong ipagtapat sa'yo, sana'y pagbigyan dinggin ang puso kong ito. Kahit na tayo'y magkaibang mundo, ikaw ang siyang hanap-hanap. Kay tagang ako'y nangarap, lumuluhod, nakikiusap. Ako'y mahalin mo, sinta. Ikaw ang siyang magbabago sa aking buhay. Handang iwanan ang lahat upang makapiling ka, sinta. Upang makapiling ka, sinta.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You know, it means a lot to me that you guys are enjoying because Pag kumakanta ako, gustong-gusto nyo yung dinudugo ako. Gusto nyo yung konti na lang lumabas ng mga dugo sa pores ko. Pero na-appreciate ko yun. No, because, we also get our energies, our energy from you guys. When you're enjoying the show, lumalakas po yung loob namin to sing or hit some of the notes that we usually don't really hit. No. Kasi alam nyo, pagka jumojonders ka pala, sorry kuya, alam kong, ilang taong ka na ba kuya? Pa 100 ka na ba? Pa 100 ka? Same tayo eh. Papunta na ako dun eh. 99.9 na ako eh. Oo, lumalabas yung mga insecurity mo. So, na-insecure ka, minsan gumagaral-gal yung buhok, pero tira pa din. Kakanta ka pa rin. Oo, hanggat may boses. Nakita nyo si Cesar Aguas? 200 na yan. Hindi masyadong, ha? Nakadalawang ikot ka na. Oh, grabe. Ano na?
100 kada ikot.
Oo nga, so 200 ka na. Hindi halata, di ba? Kasi po kami pong mga musiko, habang kaya pang tumugtog, tugtog lang ng tugtog. Ito si Noel, actually, ito po 12 lang. Mukha lang pong 100, pero bata pa po yan. 12 years old lang po yan. Pero mukhang 300 na. Tima, may pasakit pa eh. Oh. Umuubo. Higa mo na yan, ha? Ew! Wala. But guys, being a mom and a working mom, minsan ang hirap pong umalis ng bahay. For the working moms out there, I'm sure you can relate to me. Sometimes I don't know kung gusto ko bang umalis o gusto ko magtrabaho. I mean, I do love to work, but wino-worry ko po yung anak ko. And it's so nice that now we have PLDT kasi they're helping moms like me. Kumbaga, they make it easier for us. They make things easier for us. Kasi namomonitor po namin yung mga anak natin. Kasi meron na nga pong mga devices na available. And this is the Fam Cam and the Fam Zone. And also we have a smart watch that you can give to your kiddos, and they can actually talk to you from the phone. They can text, you can text them, and they can read your text, and you can also talk to them via the phone. And sa loob naman po ng bahay, syempre, powered tayo ng PLDT Home Fiber. Actually, nandito si Nate. Nasaan si Nate? Boo, come here nga. Come here, Baba. Check out the Fiber Experience Hub and take a look at the available gadgets that will suit our needs at home. Ako ang favorite ko yung watch at saka yung Fam Cam. Hi, Bam Bam! Hi! This is my son. Ang laki na niya, no? Oo, 100 years old na rin po ito. Hi, baby. Hi. Can you say hi to them?
Hi.
Say good afternoon po.
Good afternoon po.
Ay! Can you say it in Australian accent? Good day, Mike.
Good day, mate.
Sabi niya kasi sa akin nung isang araw, Mommy, I'm half British. I'm half British and half what?
American.
American. And what else? And Korean daw. Sabi ko, nasan yung Pilipino? No, but I'm Filipino. Diba? You're Filipino. Yes. You say thank you naman to PLDT, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, PLDT.
Thank you, PLDT.
Yeah. Oh, we love you daw, Boo. You say I love you too.
I love you too.
Ah! Thank you so much also to Robinson's marketing manager, Adrian Gonda. Gonda, tama ba? And PLDT Bulacan Zone Head, Arnel Hernandez. Bulacan PLDT Sales Partners, Roy Esebeo, Gina Pimentel, Liza Macapagal, Susan Roque, Romel Magpali. Ayan, thank you very much. And mamaya po sa meet and greet, ang mga nanalo po ay si Ruthless Ruth, anong tawag dyan, _921, and Catherine _R3K, and Ace4 Tan. Yan. You wanna stay here? I'll sing. You don't want to stay? Can you sing? Ha? Later. Can you sing lang, one lang? Okay. Opera singer pala to anak ko, hindi ko alam. Again. Thank you so much, baby. Opera singer. Opera singer pala, hindi ko alam eh. Ayan. Thank you, Baba. Kasi andyan din si Lola. Hi, Lola. Si Mami V andyan, nanay ko, na nakatira pa rin po dito sa Bulacan. Ayan. Thank you very much again, everybody, for being here this afternoon. Ang aking mga minamahal na kababayan. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Hindi nga. Maraming salamat hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Thank you again, PLDT! Come on, everyone! My mama told me when I was young, we all born a superstar. She rolled my head up, put my lipstick on, in a glass of her boudoir. There's nothing wrong with loving who you are, she said, 'cause you make you perfect great. So hold your head up, girl, and you'll go far. Listen to me when I say, I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistake. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hide yourself and regret, just love yourself and you'll say, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Ooh, there ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way. Ooh, there ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. On the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Don't be. Give yourself prudence and love your friends. Self-wicked, rejoice your truth. In the religion of the insecure, I must be myself, respect my youth. A different lover is not a sin to live. Capitally trying. I love my life, I love this record. I'm gonna live my life, yeah. I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistake. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hide yourself and regret, just love yourself and just say, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Ooh, there ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way. Ooh, there ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you the members of the band. On drums, how about a big hand for Mr. Michael Alba? On bass, how about a big hand for Karel Honasa? On second guitar, Mr. Noel Mendas. And on first guitar, how about a big hand for Mr. Cesar Aguas? Wow. Bagong-bago. Our backup singers for tonight, Sammy, Tanya, and May
this way. Hey, I'm on the right track. Baby, I was born this way. Hey, I'm on this way. I'm on the right track. Baby, I was born this way.
Yes, may nananawagan. Tuloy ang saya? Ituloy ba ang saya? Say PLDT! PLDT! We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would wait forever, exalted by the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, my little body strolling so casually. We're different than the same. Gave you another switch on the battery. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing all of your heart, you can shake me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. Ooh, ooh. Yeah! Stuck out on a mission to find our inner peace, make it everlasting, so nothing's incomplete. It's easy being with you, sacred simplicity. As long as we're together, there's no place I'd rather be. Hey! With every step we take, my little body strolling so casually. We're different and the same. Gave you another switch up the battery. Everybody know! If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing all of your heart, you can change me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. In the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing all of your heart, you can shake me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. Good night, everyone. Thank you.
We are so excited